Hi, Danielle here from Arnold Tutoring. We're going to talk about solving for a monomial in a word problem. So first, I'll read the question. It says a rectangle has an area of 12x squared y, and the width is 4x. Find the length and the perimeter. So I'm going to start like we do most word problems by drawing a picture. I have a rectangle with an area of 12x squared y, and the width is 4x. What we don't know is the length. So I'm going to start with my area formula for a rectangle. A equals length times width. In this case, we know the area. 12x squared y equals L, we don't know, times 4x. So here I know I want to get L by itself, so I do what I would normally do, even without variables, is divide whatever's multiplied by that number, or that letter in this case. So I'm going to divide everything by 4x in order to get L by itself. So 4x divided by 4x becomes 1, so those go away. So on the right I have L. On the left I can use my exponent rules to divide. So I start with 12 divided by 4 is 3. X squared divided by x, I use my exponent rules to do subtraction of the exponents. So we have x, 2 minus 1 down here, leaves me with 1. And y, there's no other term, so it's just length equals 3xy. I'm going to erase this part to do the second part of the question. So now we want to find the perimeter of the shape. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 width plus 2L, just adding up all the sides. So P equals 2 times the width was 4x, plus 2 times the length is 3xy. So this is pretty simple multiplication. There's no variables in the outside of the brackets, so we just multiply the coefficients. So that's going to give me P equals 2 times 4 is 8 with the x, plus 2 times 3 is 6, xy. So now we see that our variables are not the same. One term has an x and one term has an xy. So therefore we can't combine our terms. They're not like terms. So this is as simplified as we can get the answer. I hope that helps. Check out arnoldtutoring.com for more helpful videos. Thanks.